If you see a green button here, it means start. But down here, on the red button where it has the pause sign, it says stop. Or you can pull a red thing right here, and
that's the emergency stop, right?
And that's the emergency stop. And if you want it to go high, you can press this. And if you want it to go low, you can press that button there.
To make it like a hill.
To make it like a hill, and that to not make it like a hill, and the plus to make it fast, and the minus to make it slow.
River likes to go fast. Would you like to go fast or slow?
Fast.
Okay.
And I just ran on this today.
You did. You ran a lot on it today. Do you want to try again and show the people how to use it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we start at a stop. So River pressed to start, and it starts very slowly, and River can adjust the speed just as he's showing us right now. And for some people, they like to just jog, but River likes to sprint and then stop. How you feeling, River?
Good. And if you want, you can press a button and it shows your heart rate. Bye.
And thank you.
Thank you.